Hello, today we are going to present our innovation titled Tuma Exploration. Our team member consists of Nurul Insyirah binti Muhammad, Haiza Arina binti Muhammad Haizrul, and Rafifah binti Nur Hassan. We are going to start with introduction of the product. The rapid growth of digital technology has transformed education, especially in enhancing literacy skills among primary pupils. Many students struggle to differentiate between simple and compound sentences due to conventional and less engaging teaching methods. Tuma Exploration is an interactive, web-based learning platform (CEP) designed to teach this topic in a fun and meaningful way. The platform integrates the story-based learning, digital books, and gamified quizzes. The next is the problem statement. Firstly, pupils find it difficult to distinguish simple and compound sentences. Second, teaching is often teacher-centered and lacks digital engagement. Third, pupils with learning difficulties like dyslexia face challenges in reading and writing correctly. Fourth, there is no integrated digital platform combining reading, listening, and gamified exercise in one site. Next, the objective of innovation. First, to develop an interactive digital learning platform using ZIP. Secondly, to enhance pupils' understanding of simple and compound sentences through storytelling. Third, to encourage active engagement via interactive quizzes. And fourth, to provide a user-friendly manual for both teachers and pupils.
Next, I will explain the main components of our innovation, Tuma Exploration. Our innovation is made up of four main elements that work together to create a fun and interactive learning experience for pupils. First, we have the interactive ZEP website. This is the core of our innovation. It provides a virtual navigation system where pupils can move around and explore different learning zones. Each zone contains activities related to simple and compound sentences, making the learning process feel like a digital adventure. Second, we use Book Writer, which feature the story Ali and Abu at the night market. This is a dual-level digital storybooks that includes audio narration. The story helps pupils identify sentences structures naturally through reading and listening. It is especially helpful for pupils with different learning needs, including those in inclusive education. Third, we have learning notes. These notes summarize important grammar concepts about simple and compound sentences in an essay to understand format. They act as quick revision materials for pupils and serve as teaching support for teachers. With these notes, learning can continue even without internet access. And finally, we have ZEP quizzes. This component provides interactive quizzes with instant feedback. Pupils can test their understanding after each learning section and receive immediate responses, which makes learning more engaging and self directed. In short, these four components, the attractive ZEP website, book creator story, ZEP quizzes, and learning notes work together to make Tuma Exploration a complete and accessible digital learning package. Next, our target users are divided into two main groups. The primary target is Year 3 pupils, both in mainstream and inclusive classrooms. These pupils are still developing their reading and writing skill, so interactive digital tools like Tuma Exploration can help strengthen their understanding in a more enjoyable way. This secondary target is Malay language teachers at primary schools. This platform serves as a ready-to-use digital teaching aid that support teachers in delivering lessons. Additionally, Tuma Exploration is fully accessible on various devices such as computers, tablet, and smartphones. This flexibility promotes digital inclusivity, allowing both teachers and pupils to use the platform anytime, anywhere. In short, Tuma Exploration is designed for everyone, teachers who want to innovate and pupils who love to explore. Our innovation went through four main stages of development. The first stage is planning. Here, we define the objective of the project and selected the topic, simple and compound sentences, to ensure alignment with the Year 3 Malay language curriculum. The second stage is design. In this phase, we built the structure of ZEP website, designed the virtual navigation, and create the story content in book creator with visual and audio elements. The third stage is implementation. At this stage, we integrated quizzes into the platform and carried out pilot tests with both teachers and pupils to ensure everything worked smoothly. And finally, the fourth stage is improvement. We gathered feedback from users, analyzed their response and refined the interface and learning content to make the platform more effective and user friendly. This four-step process, plan, design, test, and refine, ensure that our innovation was carefully developed and continuously improved for the best learning experience. What makes Tuma Exploration truly unique is the way it combines multiple digital elements into one comprehensive learning platform. Firstly, it integrates digital storytelling, interactive navigation, audio, and quizzes all in one place. This combination makes learning more dynamic, fun, and memorable. Secondly, is encourage self-directed learning. Pupils can explore the platform at their own pace, which builds confidence and independence in their learning process. Thirdly, it fully supports 21st century learning PAK 21 principally by promoting collaboration, creativity, combination, and critical thinking. Lastly, it is multi-device friendly, meaning it can be used on any device, whether in class or at home. This flexibility ensures that the learning experience is not limited by place or time. To sum up, Tuma Exploration transforms traditional grammar lessons into an exciting digital adventure. As we like to say, learning Malay becomes more exciting with Tuma Exploration. Thank you for me.
Now, I will explain the impact of innovation. For pupils, this innovation helps to understand sentences structures more effectively. It also provides fun and motivating learning experiences that make grammar learning less boring and more engaging. For teachers, it serves a ready-to-use digital teaching aid. It encourages teachers to be more creative and interactive in their teaching approach, especially when integrating technology. Lastly, for schools, this innovation promotes a culture of innovation and digital learning. It also strengthens the school's image as a progressive digital institution that supports 21st century learning. Overall, the innovation benefits all parties, pupils, teachers, and the school community. Next, I will describe how the effectiveness of the innovation was evaluated. Three methods were used. Pre and post tests were conducted to measure pupils' improvement in sentence comprehension. Second, observation was carried out to monitor pupils' engagement and participation during lessons. Third,
Questionnaires were given to both teachers and pupils to collect their feedback on the learning experience. The data gathered from these methods were then analyzed and used to refine and improve the innovation's overall functionality. In short, continuous evaluation ensures that the innovation remains effective, relevant, and user friendly. Moving on the potential and future enhancements of this innovation. In the future, this innovation can be expanded to other grammar topics such as nouns, classifiers, and idioms. It can also be enhanced with animations, video tutorials, and online collaborative activities to create more dynamic and interactive learning. With further refinement, it has the potential to be adopted nationwide as a digital Malay language teaching aid. In short, this innovation is scalable and sustainable, a promising step towards future ready classrooms. To conclude, the Tuma Exploration innovation provides an engaging, interactive, and digital learning experience that enhances people's literacy in the Malay language. It aligns perfectly with IPG's vision to produce innovative teachers, creative learners, and active classrooms. Through this innovation, I believe that digital pedagogy can truly transform the way we teach and learn Bahasa Melayu in the 21st century. Thank you.